How chair squats help seniors with balance. Chair squats are a highly effective exercise for seniors, particularly for improving balance and overall mobility. This functional movement helps strengthen the muscles in the legs, hips, and core, which are all critical for maintaining stability and preventing falls, one of the most significant concerns for older adults. Performing chair squats involves standing in front of a sturdy chair, then lowering the body as if sitting down, only to stop just before actually sitting and then standing back up. This movement engages key muscles, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Strengthening these muscles provides greater control and stability during everyday activities, such as standing from a seated position, walking, and navigating uneven surfaces. Stronger legs and core muscles help improve posture and reduce the risk of falls, which is a major health concern for seniors. Additionally, chair squats are a low-impact exercise, making them suitable for seniors with varying levels of mobility. The chair acts as a safety precaution, offering support and minimizing the risk of losing balance during the exercise. By gradually increasing the number of repetitions or adjusting the depth of the squat, seniors can safely progress at their own pace while avoiding strain or injury. Beyond physical strength, chair squats also help with proprioception, the body's ability to sense its position in space. This aspect is particularly beneficial for balance, as it encourages the body to develop better awareness of its movements. Over time, regular practice of chair squats can lead to improved stability, enhanced confidence, and a reduced fear of falling, which is vital for maintaining independence in older age. In summary, chair squats are an accessible, effective way for seniors to improve balance, build strength, and boost overall functional fitness, contributing to a safer and more active lifestyle.